Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use this CVS Health BF720 scale. And it's different models. Some become obsolete. I've had this one for about a year and a half, 2 years. My wife purchased it. But I'm going to walk you through this manual right here. And I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can download this manual if you got a scale like this. And they're all pretty much the same. So as we go through this manual, I'm gonna just show you some little things we're gonna point out. You know, it measures your body fat percentage, body water percentage, muscle percentage, bone mass. It do a lot of things. And the thing about this scale, when you get on it, you wanna make sure you're barefooted and you wanna make sure that your feet have a little water on the bottom. You don't want it dry, so that it can get good conductivity. And what comes here, you got the scale, and then you need 3 AAA batteries. And like I said, you got this manual right here. I'm gonna put it in the description below so you can download it. And these are different buttons on there. You know, right there, number 2 is the battery, and then that's your weight. And you have other percentages, and you can change your weights from the standard to metrics. You put your initials in there, and you're gonna make sure your Bluetooth and everything is on. And you want to make sure it's on a level ground when you get ready to start this. And like I said, you want to be no socks because you're not going to get good readings. And it tells you the ages and your height and stuff, the maximum age, height it goes through, and other different things. And I won't waste too much of your time going through this manual. It's not that much involved in the manual. We're going to walk through the process on how to set this up and what app you need to download. And this thing, like I said, it's almost 2 years old. We may have had it longer than that, and it works perfectly. Like I said, I just set mine up. You got your different age brackets. My age right there is 50 to 59. So I know I'm overweight. So I'm fit to start getting my health and stuff right. I need to watch my blood pressure and my blood sugar levels and things like that. So I'm gonna show you what my scale looks like. So this is my scale right here. It looks like this is that CVS Health, and I'm gonna turn it over on the back so you can see it. And right here on the back, you have your place where you put your 3 AAA batteries. So you just take that off and you put your AAA batteries in. And you also have this mode button, which is very hard to see if you don't really know where it's at, but that's where it's at, and the manual will tell you what all of that is about. I won't, like I said, I'm not going to waste a lot of your time going through that manual, going through the setup. But what you can do once you get the app downloaded, you just go through the different settings and play with different things. You just change your weight, you put your weight and age and height and stuff in. So let's get started right here. First, what you want to do is download this app right here. It's that Health Coach app, Brewer Health Coach app, and just hit OK. Hit sign up, find your model number, click it, then you pair it up, you hit pair. Then what you want to do is create new user. Then you click your exercise level, and it says step on it right there. You see I put my towel down, and I put a little water on that towel, and I stepped on it. And don't laugh at my feet. I know they're terrible looking. I'm a country boy. So these numbers aren't going to be the same because I did this earlier, so I couldn't record it and do it. So I'm going to just show you once you step on it, you see how it's reading those different readings, and it's linked to the app. So everything is being calculated through the app. And like I said, that app will walk you through every bit of it. You just go step by step. So once all that stuff is calculated, it'll just completely go off. And once it's done, it's gonna go blank. And that's the initial setup. So now you can get off the scale. So the next time you get on, and make sure you don't have any socks or anything on, and you get on, it will recognize you. You see mine is GEL. Once I get on, it'll recognize all the different settings I got in there. I put my age, my height, my weight, and it recognizes all that stuff, and you could tell it you want it to do things weekly or you could do it daily. So if my wife get on it, it'll recognize her based off all the information she has put in. And in this app, you can go through the settings. Like I said, you could change it from standard to metrics. You could do a lot of things. You could even put your blood pressure readings on there if you want to just keep up with your blood pressure readings. And you can link this to your Apple Watch also. And when you're doing your health, it tells your heartbeat, your heart rate, tells you how many calories you burn from the day. So when you get within range, it'll link all that stuff up on your phone and your watch. So this thing is really helpful. So this 2023 coming up, I'm finna get on this health kick. I know I have to do better. I'm gonna have to put down all this food and quit drinking all the beer. I'm gonna still do a little bit. I'm gonna just do it in moderation. But anyway, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.